Hi guys, my name is Kritika Rai and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you must have watched my previous video which was a Hyderabad tour, and one of the most exciting part about my Hyderabad trip was my IKEA tour. Oh my god. It was I went on and I was not even 1% tired. Okay, I think I was just 1% tired, but heard about IKEA long back, and I remember Googling about it. I was so excited when it started in 2018 in India. So for those of you who doesn't know what IKEA is, IKEA is a Swedish company that focuses on ready to assemble home decor, home furniture stuff. And in 2018, it opened in Hyderabad. Then the another store is in Navi Mumbai, and recently it's going to be open in Delhi. Yeah. So this was the size of bill, and we had something like two of the say similar kind. I don't think it's fitting in the system also in this screen also, but we did buy a lot. And anybody who loves home decor, who loves furnitures, cute little stuff, I'm sure is going to go gaga when they go to IKEA. Mm, I loved it. When I was looking around the products, I found these cute small frames. If you can see it, these are very tiny, and this was just for 79 rupees. It's so hot, I'm shooting outside, and it was just raining. The weather was so good, and suddenly it's so hot. Okay, so this is the size, and we got it in three different colors. One in white, the other one in this mint color, and this one is peach. And honestly, these are so amazing. Just for 79 rupees, I think a total deal. And I stocked up a lot. I guess we bought so many frames because we are planning to get a photo gallery wall in our living space. So I think this would totally do justice to it, and I really like them. It was like okay. So the next thing that I got on IKEA, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you must have seen these small little cute cups. I love it. I really do, because it's been I think 15 days that we got it, and from that day since today I only drink tea from either this one or the pink one that I have, because just look at them, they are so tiny, they are this small, and since I'm cutting down on tea, so perfect for me. And then I picked up another frame from IKEA, which is this one. This is pretty big and it's in white color. I really like the color, and I really liked this detailing. Can you see this? It was pretty cheap also. The material is fine, really good. So one information about IKEA, I'll tell you, there are complaints that their products are not very good, or sometimes that the furniture that you buy from there are not very long lasting, but I personally feel that you get what you pay for. The products there are pretty affordable, very budget friendly. So many times, such cheap products also are available, and I think they do justice to the price. You totally get what you pay for. So I think whatever I bought, they did a pretty good job with the pricing. We got a table lamp for our bedsides, two of it for either sides of our bed. Can you see the product? It is so amazing. I love the finishing. I love how it looks. It totally goes with the bedside decor, and I really like the whole look of the lamp. The next thing that we got from IKEA was this candle holder that's available, that was there, and I really like the color. It was in white, it opens up, it's made of glass, so these things were really tough for us to carry from Hyderabad till here. We did a good job because wood touch, nothing broke down, and we could manage it all from Hyderabad to Lucknow. But I think this again, it's a very nice product. I am planning to put some gypsies and candles inside it and hang it, you know, in the portico section. And we got two of these, and I think they look super, really nice. Again, the finishing, the detail, everything just looks super. Along with this, the next item is yeah, this one. So we got this box also from IKEA. This one. This is pretty huge. If you can see, it opens up like this. This is the holder, and I really like the color. I really like the texture again of this, so I got it. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but and we assemble it all here. So one really interesting thing about IKEA is that whatever you buy from there, it's not assembled, it's in parts, and then you bring it home and you can assemble it. So my husband calls the whole process as adult puzzle, because it takes a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to assemble, read out all the manuals, and so we got these 2-3 lamps from IKEA as well, which I will show you later on. It's inside. We literally assembled the whole lamp by ourselves without the help of any electrician, and it was pretty I'll not say it was easy, but it was so much fun. You have to read out the manuals, and then you have to understand how to do it, and step by step you put out that in the puzzle, and then the whole things build up. Whole thing builds up. So I think that's a really fun about IKEA as well. So it brings a new concept to the to how an Indian decor or how Indian furnitures are bought. And I think it's a must check out place. If you are in Hyderabad or Navi Mumbai, you should definitely go. Another frame that I picked up from IKEA was this gold decor frame. Okay, this is my father and this is my mother. I basically use this frame to keep it near my bedside. It matches my decor, it matches my lamp, and I love this frame, the gold finishing. And I miss my parents so much. This frame was again very cheap. I will tell you the price in description box. Love how it looks. Love how it goes with my alarm clock and with my lamp. Totally in for it. So come with me. I will show you the lampstands that we got, and trust me, they look so classy. They look so cool. I'll totally vouch for it, because they were pretty, I'll not say they were pretty cheap, but they were totally affordable, and their look is absolutely stunning. We got this lamp from IKEA. It looks so classy. The finishing is so good, and the whole look of this product is amazing. We still have to do a lot of we have to decor this wall, this is not its perfect place. We really want to put it somewhere else, but yeah, for the time being it's here. And look at the quality, it's just so good. And look at this. If you have watched the previous video, I'm pretty sure you saw me playing with this one, and we all so liked it that my mother-in-law got it for our place, and it looks so amazing. The whole look is superb. I can't touch it. I'll just show you. Otherwise, when you pull down the string, it closes. That's how it looks. The whole look is so superb. We loved this one. We got this one from IKEA. It's a table, the glass top, and a matte finish black rounded one. I think I really like this one also. You can see the whole look. It's again, we have got two of it, and we got it delivered. Okay, and this painting, I mean, Mansi made it. Mansi and Nabil are one of our friends, and they did this amazing job. And this was our marriage gift. I think I love this one. It's still about to get its place. We'll hang it somewhere soon, and I think it looks amazing from far. Okay, coming back to this table, so I will tell you how can you buy such big and glassware stuff from IKEA. So the lampshade that you saw, or the chandeliers and the table that I showed you previously, if you want such huge and glassware items from IKEA, what you can do is that if you are going there, they also have an excellent courier service, very affordable, pretty quick. I think it took less than 2 weeks to be delivered, and they were properly packed, and when it came to us, it was in the best of its condition. You just have to assemble it. But the only problem is that IKEA does not deliver to all the cities. Like, I remember, it does not deliver to Kolkata, it does not deliver to Lucknow. So if you are from Kolkata or Lucknow, then you will have to be there. If you like those products, you can order it and get it. Then you can get it couriered to your respective cities. But people from Bangalore, they can definitely get it couriered from IKEA's website. That is the thing. But people from Kolkata and Lucknow, they can only get it couriered if you are in person in the store, and you cannot bring back those big items, big table lamps or stand or chandeliers. Then you can get it couriered from there itself. This was it, guys. I managed to show you most of the items that I got it. Few are still left, but oh, one of them I forgot. This rug also we got from IKEA. It's amazing quality. Quality is really nice. I would say it's really premium. See, if you can see it, the quality looks absolutely amazing. It's a throw that my husband really liked, and we picked up. It matches our decor inside, so we'll use it. If you liked it, hope that if next time you are going to IKEA, then you can pick these up if you liked it. And just in case if you did not know about IKEA, hope I could inform you. And next time if you are in Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, don't forget to check it out. It's one of the good experience. I mean, it's not that there are definitely so many furniture stores throughout the country. I mean, in India there are so many, but IKEA is an experience. I will not say that you just go there and shop. It's an experience, a nice experience to be there and to see the way they put out their store, the items that are available. I mean, there are so many, and I hope you had a good experience with me on my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Till then, please take care, stay inside, stay safe, wear your mask. Let not the third wave come and spoil our fun, and spoil our traveling. So please take care, wear mask, and see you.